ರೀಜನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೆಜಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ದಿನದ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನ ನಡೆಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಹೌದು, ಇದು ರೀಜನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೆದ ಅದ್ದೂರಿ ಆಚರಣೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಉನ್ನತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ವಿತರಣೆ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೆಜಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಪತ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಉಡುಗೊರೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಹಿರಿಯ ಕೆಜಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ದಿನವಾಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಉನ್ನತ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನೃತ್ಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಶಾಲಾ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವೂ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಲೇಖಕರು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಕೌಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅಜೀರಾ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಪುಸ್ತಕವು ಶಿಶು ವಿಹಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದೆ. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಗುಂಪು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ದಿನದಿಂದ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿವೆ. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು, ಗ್ರೇಡ್ 1 ಡಿಐಟಿಇ ಉಪನಿರ್ದೇಶಕಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಲುಬ್ನಾ ನಿಖತ್, ಶ್ರೀ ಮುಸಾವಿತ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಖಾನ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯೋದ್ಯಮಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಶಾಲಾ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅಜೀರಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಸೂಫಿ ಮೆಹವೇಶ್ ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೆಜಿಯ ಪದವಿ ದಿನದ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಮತ್ತು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯ ಕುರಿತು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಗಿಯುವವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 21 ನೊಂದಿಗಿರಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೊಸ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಸೂರು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 21 ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ.
Good day everybody. It's a great pleasure to be here and to see my son being graduated, and I'm really proud of this school for giving seat to my son, although he is a little special, and I'm really grateful for the staff and the teachers, especially Firdaus ma'am, for helping my son to cope up with the studies. Thank you.
The thing especially I observed in this till now, care is taken individually, like special importance is given to all the children. Even in the prize distribution also, what I observed, like all the children got the opportunity to receive the prizes, whereas I have not seen these type of things in any other schools. And also for special children also they are taking care of, and I'm really very happy.
Regional group of institutions are giving special care to all the kids, ma'am, and there are more than 12 branches. What would you like to tell about that?
Yeah, I'm very thankful to Hajira. I have seen her as a small kid also, and she has grown so much. I'm proud of her, and I wish Hajira very best of luck in her future endeavors. May God bless her and keep her in His care and give her lot of success in life, both husband and wife.
Your introduction, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Lubna Nikhat, Principal and Deputy Director, Department of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship.
Sir, your introduction.
I'm Musawir Ahmad Khan from Mandya. I'm a businessman and entrepreneur.
Today you are here in regional group of institutions. What would you like to tell about today's program?
Yeah, first of all, I like to thank Mrs. Hajira Kamran for inviting me to such a great and prestigious program. And till now in my life, I have not seen a graduation day for such a small kids. Even we studied in schools, but we didn't get this opportunity. So these kids are really very lucky that they are being graduated at such a small age. Thank you, Ms. Hajira.
Thank you. Sir, they started their schools with a very small branch, and today they have completed their 12 branches. They have 12 branches, especially our mother-in-law, who is working hard. So what would you like to tell about it?
Yeah, actually, I am very proud of her and her husband, Mr. Kamran, and I am inspired by her mother-in-law. I heard about her, but she was a teacher and founder and a lecturer, and she was the inspiration behind their achievements. And I came to know when I reached that the school is having 600 students, and I think I may be right if I am saying that all these 12 institutions, maybe around 4,000 to 5,000 students may be studying in their institutions. It's a very good achievement at such a small age. I congratulate her and her husband. May God bless her and give her more success in the future.
And we will give quality education education in very less fee structure.
Yeah. That I have noticed, and they are teaching specially abled students also. And that is a big thing, and that is a very kind of Miss Hajira.
So all behind this, teachers are the main reason all behind this.
Yeah, one more thing I want to add in this word. This school is run by all women teachers. There is no male teacher or any staff. It is the really women empowerment, and I really felt happy when I came to know that she is having around 36 staff here, and all of them are women. Thank you. Very good of you.
Very happy. It's been like 7 years for this institution. We started the school in 2016. Since then we started graduation day and all. See, when we were studying alone, as Mr. Musawwir Ahmad Khan sir said, we never saw any kind of graduation also. While we complete our master's or bachelor's degree, then we used to have a graduation day. Here I wanted something change, something innovative. As you very well know that every year we come up with something or the new other thing we want. Inspired by my mother-in-law, Saida Kausar Banu ma'am. She used to always tell me do this, aisa karo, waisa karo. Every time she was taking her help, I started these things and all.
So this is the first time you are celebrating graduation.
No, this is the 6th year we are celebrating graduation day.
So your school is fully fledged school.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, it is
You
full.
all are doing graduation day.
Yes,
for senior KG.
yes, only for senior KG we do. As they change from kindergarten, they go to their primary session. So that is why we do graduation day for them.
So are you looking forward for 9th standard and 10th standard?
Yes, we are working on them. As I told last time also that we are working on it. Inshallah, very soon that will be revealed.
Would you like to tell about your teachers, because this is the reason where you are studying?
Yeah,
is
see,
during
without teachers, the school can't run. I especially like to thank a few teachers. I would like to name them. First of all, Sufi Mehwish, my principal, HM Hema ma'am, then kindergarten HM Firdaus ma'am. Along with these teachers, we came up with our books also, my Kidsopedia, as you saw the inauguration of that. Being management team, I have a beautiful team. I never say my colleagues also. It is my team. It is my team. Without them, I couldn't do. My brother is here. My brother-in-law is here. He's a trustee. Even he's a trustee of Holy Saint Public School. So along with all these people, we came up with all schools and all.
It's very good news to know that you are the author of the book.
Yes.
What is there? Can you tell few things?
See, basically, author, anybody can become an author, but coming up with the actual content is very important. Taking help of my mother-in-law, even she is an author of it, she is the main author of it. Along with her, me, Saida Kausar ma'am and Firdaus ma'am, she has been in the advisory team. We came up with the books, content. See, all the books, they have different kind of content. Some books I like this content, some books I like that content. So I built up a combination of all the books, came up with one book. If you go through that book, you will get to know how it is.
So next year that will be continued in
Yes.
branches.
In case if I am not satisfied with that particular book, I might do some kind of changes and all. It's a beautiful combination of kindergarten books wherein we have question papers in it, teacher's manual book, how a teacher should utilize those books, and everything has been guided in that. Actually, this took me 3 years, but to print and to rectify all the corrections and all, 6 months to do that. So basically, you can say 3 years.
Today very great personalities are here with you as a chief guest.
Yes.
What would you like to tell us?
I'm very happy that Musawwir sir and Lubna ma'am came here to support me on this very special occasion. But I'm missing my mother-in-law. If she is watching this, literally I'm missing you. Thank you. Thank you.